Alright guys, hello to all Resident Evil fans. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video to see what's inside. Yep, I'm gonna save some time, so I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys later. Okay guys, I just opened the first wrapper. Now I'm gonna open this, see what's inside. Ooh, looks like a shoebox. Bear with me guys, I'm actually recording without any tripod stand, so you'll see that later. Looks like a shoebox, definitely a shoebox. Yeah, so I just want to see what's inside. Oops, NECA Krauser. Oh man, this guy banned it. Oh man, first impression is bad. Oh god, I think it's coming out before it damages more. Oh man, why he banned it, man? Seriously, dude. That guy don't know how to collect items, so he banned, squash it in a small box. So yeah, this is NECA Krauser. Yeah, that's his mutated small parts in his hand. I got this very cheap. I was very glad. About $20 including shipping. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just waiting for still waiting for my execution and my genie to come. Yep. So guys, stay tuned. This is Krauser, and yeah, this is it. Guys, thanks.